If you're a plumber or someone who enjoys fixing things at home, you know plumbing jobs can be tough, but having the right tools can make everything easier. In this video, we're going to show you 20 amazing plumbing tools that help you work faster, fix problems easier, and even save money. All these product links are in the description down below. Let's get started. Number 20. Pipe cutter. This compact PVC pipe cutter is designed for smooth and efficient cutting of PVC pipes. Its ratchet mechanism allows for precise cuts in tight spaces, ensuring clean, straight edges without damaging the pipe. It's perfect for working in confined areas where traditional cutters may not fit, making it ideal for smaller projects. The automatic feed system reduces the effort needed, allowing for longer use without fatigue. Lightweight and easy to handle, it improves maneuverability and efficiency in tight spots, providing quick, reliable cuts every time. While it works great for smaller pipes, it may not be suitable for larger diameters. Whether for professional plumbing or DIY repairs, this tool delivers consistent, hassle-free results in restricted spaces. Number 19. Stripping knife. This multi-use stripping tool makes cable prep easier by combining a cutter and utility knife in one. The ratcheting system gives better control, allowing you to strip insulation without harming the wires inside. Its blade can be replaced, so the tool lasts longer, and the comfortable grip helps reduce hand fatigue during repeated use. It works well with both round and flat cables, adding to its flexibility. While there's a bit of a learning curve for those used to traditional tools, its smooth operation and accuracy make it a solid pick. Though it costs more than basic models, many users say the added efficiency is worth it. Strong, reliable, and easy to handle, this tool is a great choice for anyone needing a smarter, faster way to prepare cables for installation. Number 18. Step Cut XL. This heavy-duty cable cutter is built for effortless, clean cuts on large diameter cables without crushing or damaging them. Its unique stepped cutting system ensures smooth operation, while the optimized leverage design reduces the force needed, making it easier on your hands during tough jobs. Perfect for speeding up cable preparation, it saves both time and energy. The precision ground, heat-treated blades add durability, offering long-term use and reliable performance. While it excels at handling thick industrial or commercial cables, it may be more than what's needed for smaller household wiring. Still, for professionals who regularly work with heavy-duty materials, this tool delivers power, control, and efficiency. With a sturdy build and user-friendly design, it performs consistently well even in demanding conditions, making it a dependable choice for serious cable-cutting tasks. Number 17. Propex Expander. This compact pipe expander is a valuable tool for plumbers, designed for smooth and efficient PEX pipe installations. Its size makes it ideal for tight spaces, and it can expand pipe sizes from 0.3 to 1 inch, covering most residential plumbing needs. An auto-rotating head ensures even expansion, helping to reduce leaks and improve installation quality. The long-lasting battery supports up to 400 expansions per charge, allowing for continuous work with minimal downtime. A built-in LED light enhances visibility in dimly lit areas, making tasks more manageable. While slightly more expensive than basic options, its efficiency and reliability justify the cost for professionals who need precise and consistent results. Durable and easy to handle, this tool improves workflow and accuracy in plumbing projects. Number 16. Drum machine. This cordless drain cleaning tool is designed to remove tough clogs quickly and efficiently. It can clear pipes from 3 to 6 inches in diameter, making it perfect for various plumbing tasks. The cable drive locking feed system ensures the cable moves at a steady speed, giving you better control during operation. A standout feature is its integrated power tread, which allows one person to easily transport the machine up and down stairs. The drum holds 75 feet of 0.6-inch cable, offering enough reach for most residential and light commercial jobs. With its strong performance, convenient portability, and ease of use, this tool is a valuable addition to any plumber's toolkit. It simplifies drain maintenance and delivers reliable clog removal in a wide range of settings. Number 15. Stick transfer pump. This compact cordless pump is a reliable tool for plumbers needing to remove water efficiently. It can transfer up to 480 gallons per hour and lift water up to 40 feet, making it ideal for jobs like flooded basements or water heater replacements. Its slim design fits into tight spaces, such as the bottom of a water heater pan, adding to its versatility. The pump includes a removable strainer for easy cleaning and smooth operation. While it may not handle heavy debris well, it performs performs excellently with clean water. Lightweight and easy to carry, it offers strong performance in a small package. With its power, portability, and ease of use, this pump is a smart choice for quick water removal in both residential and light commercial settings. Number 14. Pipe threader. This efficient pipe threading tool is a big improvement over manual options, handling pipe sizes from 0.12 to 2 inches. It supports a wide range of standard sizes, making it useful for many plumbing jobs. With built-in tracking and inventory features, it's also great for larger teams or job sites. It offers 25% faster threading than most powered models, helping professionals save time without sacrificing quality. The auto stop feature adds safety by preventing over-threading and reducing wear on the tool. Although changing the dies can be a bit of a hassle, many plumbers agree that the time saved and the clean, precise threads make it worth the effort. This tool boosts efficiency, reliability, and productivity for both residential and commercial plumbing work. Number 13. Leak Smart. This smart water protection system helps prevent leaks and flooding in both homes and commercial buildings. It uses advanced sensors placed in key spots to detect water instantly. As soon as a leak is found, the system quickly shuts off the main water supply, usually within 5 seconds, to stop damage before it spreads. This fast action helps prevent serious problems like structural damage or mold. It also offers continuous monitoring, giving property owners peace of mind. The system is easy to use and reliable, making it a great choice for protecting homes and valuable spaces. By responding quickly and automatically, it helps reduce costly repairs and simplifies maintenance. Overall, it's an effective way to safeguard against unexpected water damage and keep your property safe. Number 12. Megapress XL. This high-efficiency pipe joining tool connects carbon and stainless steel pipes up to 4 inches thick, offering a safer and much faster alternative to welding. It's about 90% quicker than traditional methods and doesn't require flames, manual tightening, or draining the system, making jobs cleaner and easier. Thanks to Smart Connect technology, it identifies unpressed connections and secures them in just 16 seconds, helping reduce mistakes and boost efficiency. The tool is lightweight and ergonomically designed, making it comfortable to use and easy to carry around even in busy work areas. Perfect for large plumbing or industrial tasks, it improves speed, accuracy, and reliability on the job. With its convenience and modern features, it delivers professional results without the hassle of old-school methods. Number 11. Pipe plugs. These heavy-duty gripper plugs are built to handle high-pressure testing with ease, forming a strong, airtight seal that won't fail under stress. Made from tough, rust-resistant metal, they offer long-lasting reliability, making them ideal for both residential and commercial plumbing tasks. In addition to sealing pipes, they help keep out dust and debris, protecting systems and maintaining smooth performance. Available in sizes from 1.5 to 6 inches, they fit a variety of applications and are simple to use on the job. Their strong construction and cost-effective design make them a smart choice for professional plumbers who need dependable results. These plugs make pressure testing and leak detection easier and more efficient, offering a secure solution for demanding tasks with less hassle. Number 10. Basin Wrench. This versatile plumbing tool is essential for tackling jobs in hard-to-reach spaces. Crafted with a durable chrome vanadium steel shaft, it fits easily into tight areas, giving you smooth access to concealed fittings. It automatically adjusts forged steel jaws, grip nuts from 0.3 inches to 1.25 inches, so you won't need to search for the right fit. The tool's 180-degree pivoting head adds flexibility, making it perfect for various plumbing tasks. Designed for professional use, this adjustable wrench simplifies work on commercial job sites, improving both efficiency and precision. Its strong, adaptive build and reliable grip streamline complex plumbing jobs, making installations and repairs faster and more convenient. With its sturdy design and versatile features, it's the perfect tool for getting the job done right. Number 9. Rapid Pipe Wrench. This reliable plumbing tool delivers a strong grip, making it perfect for working with fasteners and pipes of all shapes. Its anti-slip teeth ensure a firm hold even on worn screws, eliminating slippage during tightening or loosening. Thanks to its specialized jaw design, it provides an extra strong grip, allowing you to confidently tackle challenging plumbing tasks. Built with durable CRMO material, it's designed to endure heavy-duty use and last through tough jobs. The one-handed operation makes it easy to use, saving both effort and time. With rapid ratcheting action, it enhances efficiency, helping professionals get the job done faster and more smoothly. Whether you're working in tight spaces or handling difficult repairs, this tool simplifies plumbing tasks, ensuring secure connections with minimal hassle. Number 8. Hydraulic Pipe Bender. This efficient pipe bending tool makes shaping copper, brass, and plastic pipes effortless, offering quick and easy setup so users can focus on work rather than installation. With a capacity for soft copper pipes ranging from 0.25 to 0.87 inches, it's adaptable to various project needs. The angle measurement system ensures accurate bends, delivering precise results with minimal effort. A few smooth strokes are all it takes to complete the job efficiently. Designed for both professional and DIY applications, this tool simplifies pipe bending, eliminating complex adjustments and ensuring clean, consistent results. Its user-friendly build makes it perfect for small and large projects, providing control, convenience, and reliability for plumbing and construction work. Whether you're working on a simple or complex task, this tool enhances both speed and accuracy. Number 7. Deburring Tool. This compact deburring tool makes removing burrs and sharp edges quick and effortless, saving valuable time for plumbers and machinists. Its metal body includes spare blade storage, allowing for continuous work without interruptions. Equipped with a high-hardened cutting blade, it easily handles various materials like plastic, aluminum, copper, and metal tubing, ensuring smooth finishes every time. The quick-release blade function makes replacement easy, adding to its efficiency and user-friendliness. Designed for convenience, it features a pocket clip that keeps the tool accessible and secure during work. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, it boosts precision and workflow for professionals working with metal and pipe surfaces. Whether for plumbing, fabrication, or repairs, this tool ensures clean, efficient cuts with minimal effort, making tasks faster and hassle-free. Number 6. Strap Lock Pipe Handle. If you've used clamping tools to grip large pipes before, consider trying a belt clamp for better control. This rigid strap lock pipe handle is a standout tool that makes handling and moving thick pipes much easier. Whether you're working in cold or wet environments, it's perfect for a variety of applications, from cutting and joining to separating pipes. This durable pipe clamp provides a secure grip on large pipes, making handling easier in various work conditions, including cold and wet environments. Whether cutting, joining, or separating, it acts as an extra set of hands, ensuring steady control during demanding tasks. Its belt-style mechanism offers a firm hold, reducing strain while working with thick pipes. Designed for efficiency, it simplifies workshop challenges, enhancing confidence and productivity. Whether in construction, plumbing, or industrial settings, this tool ensures reliable gripping power, making pipe handling safer and more effective. Number 5. Cheater Pipe Wrench. Be ready to handle any job, anytime, anywhere with this versatile pipe wrench designed for commercial projects. The quick slide handle locks at different lengths, offering flexible positioning to eliminate awkward angles and access tight spaces with ease. The overbite jaw design ensures maximum surface contact, providing a firm grip and preventing slippage, making it perfect for high-leverage applications. Whether tightening pipes or tackling heavy-duty tasks, this tool delivers control, efficiency, and reliability. Built for durability and ease of use, it enhances productivity while maintaining secure handling in various plumbing and industrial jobs. Strong, adaptable, and reliable, this tool is a valuable addition to any toolkit, helping professionals work faster and more efficiently without compromising precision or strength. Number 4. Electric Pipe Pressing Tool. This handheld pressing tool is designed for creating secure pipe connections quickly and efficiently. It works on copper, stainless steel, carbon steel, plastic, and composite materials, making it versatile for a variety of plumbing tasks. With its ergonomic design, the tool ensures comfortable handling while simplifying operation. Just position the fitting over the pipe and apply pressure, achieving a strong and reliable bond with minimal effort. The tool is capable of pressing pipes between 15 to 32 millimeters, making it ideal for both residential and commercial projects. Whether you're working with metal or plastic pipes, this tool enhances workflow, improving efficiency and speed. It provides fast, clean, and secure pipe connections, allowing plumbers and contractors to tackle tasks with confidence and precision, a must-have for any professional's toolkit. Number 3. Double Flaring Tool. This portable flaring tool is designed to create precise 45-degree double flares on 0.18-inch tubing, including brake lines, and operates twice as fast as traditional methods, boosting efficiency for both professionals and DIY users. It's compatible with steel, nickel, and copper tubing, providing versatility across various applications. The compact design allows you to flare both on and off the vehicle, even in tight spaces. A detachable die adds the option to use it with a bench vise, making setup and use convenient. Equipped with all necessary components, this tool delivers reliable performance and only requires 10mm and 17mm wrenches for operation. Whether working on automotive repairs or industrial projects, it ensures consistent, high-quality results, reducing time and effort while producing precise flares with minimal hassle. Number 2. Plunger Air Pump. This high-pressure air plunger is a powerful tool that delivers 87 psi of force to instantly clear tough clogs with a single press of a button. The burst of air sends debris flying up to 30 feet high, making it highly effective for clearing blockages. It comes with a range of attachments, making it ideal for bathroom sinks, kitchen drains, toilets, and more. Simply select the appropriate adapter, position it over the pipe, and activate the pressure for a quick and efficient cleaning solution. This air-powered tool eliminates the need for harsh chemicals or extra equipment, offering a simple, fast fix for plumbing problems. Compact and easy to use, it's an essential tool for both homeowners and professionals, streamlining maintenance and tackling stubborn clogs effortlessly. Number 1. Pliers Wrench. This versatile pliers wrench has a wide 42mm capacity, making it ideal for gripping various fasteners with ease. Its ergonomic handle is designed for comfort, fitting naturally in your hand for optimal usability. With an 8-to-1 lever transmission ratio, it amplifies applied force, allowing you to tighten and loosen fasteners effortlessly while minimizing strain. The high-quality construction ensures it's durable and built to withstand tough conditions in demanding work environments. Perfect for mechanical repairs, plumbing, or industrial tasks, this wrench delivers consistent performance and reliability. Its sturdy design and smooth operation make it an essential tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, offering precision, power, and efficiency for a wide range of projects. So that's it for now. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.